Howdy crew, I have an update for y'all for the welding rig build. Let's get to it. So today's update, as y'all may recall, getting a custom-made ladder rack for the truck due to the light bar height on the cab of the truck. So the place that I have the welding rig going to be built at now said it was going to take 7 to 10 days to get that ladder rack in. And today is the 11th day, so I was just giving them a call wondering when the ladder rack would be in, because I was just curious when they'd be getting in so they can schedule an appointment. Apparently they've had the ladder rack. Don't know how long, but it sounds like it's been there a little while, and I didn't know why they didn't call. Anywho's, moving forward, schedule an appointment for Monday. The truck is going to be started to be built on Monday. It's going to take several days to get everything on there. Ladder rack, boxes, welding machine, tank holders, light bar, lights going all around. So all that's going to be going on there. It's going to take several days to get all that installed, put on, electrical hooked up, all that good stuff. Then there's only a few more things that have to be added to the welding rig, such as the tanks. They're going to be holding different gases, whatnots, things put in the different toolboxes. And it shouldn't be too much longer that the welding rig will be fully functional. So I'm very excited for it. Can't wait to get out in the field. Very happy about that. So that's today's update. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.